Alright guys, sa mapagpalang araw sa inyo lahat, meron tayong isang reaction video dito kay Rob Trip, ex-senator Enrile Pogo, isang money laundering ay nang sabi ng dating senator Enrile. At ayon tinawag ni Chief Presidential Legal Counsel Juan Ponce Enrile na money laundering operation ang Pogo nang dumalo sa pandinig sa Kamara hinggil sa aktibidades ng inuugnay na illegal pogos. Sinabi rin ni Enrile na I'll advise at hindi ganong napag-aralan ang utusan noon ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte kaugnay ang Pogo operation sa Pilipinas. And without further ado, please do watch. And don't forget to subscribe the channel Rob Trip. Alright?
I agree with the president. I will kick out Pogo in this country. Pogo is a money laundering operation.
Tinawag na money laundering operation ni dating Senate President at ngayon Chief Presidential Legal Counsel Juan Ponce Enrile ang Philippine Offshore Gaming Operations o POGOs. Dumalo sa ikatlong pagdinig ng House Committee on Public Order and Safety at Games and Amusements si dating Senate President Juan Ponce Enrile, ang kasalukuyang Chief Presidential Legal Counsel ng Marcos Administration. Ang pagdinig ay kaugnay ng mga kontrobersyas sa Philippine Offshore Gaming Operations o POGOs. Kasama ni Enrile ang anak na si Attorney Katrina Ponce Enrile, ang Administrator at Chief Executive Officer ng Cagayan Economic Zone Authority o CESA, isang Special Economic Zone at Gaming Authority. Ang 100-year-old na veteran politician, ang author ng Republic Act No. 7922 o Cagayan Special Economic Zone Act of 1995. Noong 2017, sa ilalim ng isang executive order ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte, tanging PAGCOR at 3 investment promotion agencies lang ang maaaring magbigay ng lisensya sa online gambling operations. Ang mga ito ay ang CESA, kasama ang Aurora Pacific Economic Zone Freeport Authority at ang Authority of the Freeport Area of Bataan. Tumanggi si Enrile sagutin ang tanong kung kinonsulta ba siya ni PBBM kaugnay ng Pogo ban. Subalit git ito sa Executive Order No. 13 ng dating Administrasyong Duterte kaugnay ng Pogo, hindi gaanong napag-aralan o napag-isipan.
It was ill-advised. They did that in study 12. My God, Pogo was banned by Cambodia, banned by many countries in Central Asia, and we adopted it here. And why is it?
Hindi na idinatalya ni Enrile kung aling bahagi ng Executive Order o EO ang hindi gaanong napag-aralan. Sa kanya namang opening statement, binigyan diin ni Attorney Katrina Enrile na walang pogo sa CESA at Freeport.
There are no pogos in the Cagayan Special Economic Zone and Freeport. There never was and there never will be. Pogos are the exclusive creation of the past administration of PAGCOR.
Wala ring mga krimeng iniuugnay sa POGOs na nangyari sa CESA sa loob ng mahigit 20 taon na nagre-regulate at nagkakalob ito ng lisensya sa iGaming and Interactive Gaming Support Service Providers.
For more than 20 years that CESA has been regulating and licensing iGaming and Interactive Gaming Support Service Provider, it never had any instances of kidnapping, human trafficking, torture, scams, and murder.
Rosa Licos, UNTV News.
Alright guys, napakinggan at napanood po natin ay etong si Enrile ng Pogo, isang money laundering, at etong si Duterte Order Offshore Gaming. Yan, I'll advise, sabi ni Senator Enrile. Maraming salamat sa panonood at pagkinig dito kay Rob Trip, and see us again sa ating reaction video. Alright, and keep safe and healthy sa inyong lahat, and peace out. Thank you guys.